mixture into the bottom of each cavity. How much you fill it up is determined by how much crust you like, and I like crust. Find something to push down the crust. I'm using a measuring cup, but whatever you have in the kitchen that's round and fits the bottom will work just fine. If you're new to my channel, hi new friend, welcome! Each week I share recipes and fun decorating tips, so hit that subscribe button to see what we make together next. Once your crusts have been compacted, place the pan in a fridge for about a half an hour. Now it's time to make the compote. Turn your stove to medium heat and in a small pan, add your blueberries, sugar, and lemon juice. Stir and let this simmer until it becomes a liquid. See that beautiful color on the spatula? That's the natural coloring for our cheesecake. While it cools, add your sugar and gelatin in a bowl and blend the two together. Pour your hot water over this mixture and stir to combine. Then set it aside for this to cool while we work on the next step. Now let's mix the cream cheese until it's totally creamy. Fun princess fact, blueberries are one of the only foods that are naturally blue in color. Blackberries and elderberries are too. Once creamy, add your vanilla extract and then keep mixing. Now take the sugar gelatin mixture and gradually add some to the cream cheese while you mix so it incorporates fully. At the midway point, add your compote and keep mixing. Look at that gorgeous color. That's why my nails are purple and blue, by the way. Now add the rest of the gelatin mixture and finish stirring with a spatula. Look how beautiful it is. Now, fill the tins with the mixture. You can fill it all the way up to the rim if you'd like. Once filled, place the tin in the freezer for a few hours or overnight in the refrigerator. I love this cheesecake tin because you push up from the bottom for a perfectly formed bite-sized delight. Look how adorable it is. These mini cheesecakes are perfect for baby showers, bridal showers, or to top off an excellent dinner parties. Take your decoration further by topping with my magic Swiss meringue buttercream and extra blueberries. You can even add sprinkles for an extra pop of color. Now you have delicious, bite-sized delights to enjoy at the end of your celebration or just to satisfy your sweet tooth on a hot summer day. I hope you enjoyed making these blueberry mini cheesecakes with me. Make sure to subscribe for your next adventure with the Princess Baker.